Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the technical trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. Now if you look at here, you can see that the price is basically trading in a range and there is no such momentum. If you specifically talk about Bitcoin currency like Bitcoin, so this momentum is nothing. So what we can see, the price is very nicely taking up a support at 19,000 level. So this is a support area and this 20,000 is the resistance area, and we can still go ahead with this particular these two particular levels, right? So unless and until the price just comes out from this particular range, then we will be able to see that where the price is going. So as of now, it's just completely a kind of very small consolidation where the price is just moving very it's giving you very small momentum, and that's the reason it's trading in a very small tight range, right? So we can expect this thing maybe for the next few days, because as such we just need to see the basically the breakout, and whenever it will happen you will see further clear trend. But if you talk about the overall trend, so we are still considering the negative trend, the downtrend. So this is something you can look for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so that is also trading in a range and it's completely lacking the momentum. And if you look at the volumes as well, so the volumes is also declining. You can just look at here. If you remember, last week we spoke about these 2-3 candles where we were getting these good volumes as well, but somehow the price is not giving you good clear one side indication, and that's the reason now the prices the volumes are falling. So now what we can expect, we can take up 1510 as the resistance level, and 1215 we can take as the support level. So this is something we are expecting, that the price will be there in this particular range only. And again once the price breaks out, then we will decide where the price can go. But for this cryptocurrency as well, the overall trend is downtrend only, so we might able to see that the price will again break the support level, and then we'll have to redefine or readjust our support and resistance levels. But till the time it's just trading in between, we can take the same levels for this Ethereum currency as well. So if you are considering this particular video, if you are liking the content, if you are using it in your decisions, trading decisions, so I would request that you can subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also click on the notification bell icon. So I'll meet you tomorrow. This is all from my side today, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching me.